The goal for Manufacturing Day is to get the students hands-on.
This is all about finding the positions and jobs that you're passionate about and that you're willing to wake up and do every day.
Today, the students will get to experience many different programs. We have some heavy machinery simulators. We have a drone field for unmanned aircraft systems. We have virtual welding and paint.
We want to teach you different things, but also make it a fun time to see, can I do this in the future?
Manufacturing Day, in one word, is an opportunity to experience something that maybe a kid has not experienced before and could potentially change their future.
Today I learned how to rivet.
I just made this.
What we need in the manufacturing industry is a lot more talent, a lot more innovation. And all of that is going to come from the next generation.
And what do you think you like the most about Manufacturing Day?
I liked the welding because I did a really good job at that.
Always look for the next opportunity to learn something new and use that to your advantage in your career.
When a student can finally grasp, oh, this might be my thing, it changes everything.